Welcome guys, we're back. We've been MIA for a little bit, but now we're back with two new things we wanted to share with you. One, we created a Facebook page, Facebook group. It's called Owner Operator Forum. Yep. And the reason for that is we wanted to simplify your communication with us. If you guys are interested in joining, look out for the link in the description. And the reason being, we want to create a community and also have you guys have better access to us. We're extremely busy with what's happening here, and we need to simplify our means of communication. So if you guys are interested, look it up. It's launching within the next week, and we would like to invite you to join us and interact. Let us know what we can do better, how we can help better, and we're looking forward to it. Thank you very much. Keep looking for new content.
Jose! Welcome back.
What's up?
Welcome back, I said.
Thank you.
What are you doing here?
EGR pipe crack. I just tossed out the old one. Lost some power and the noise. We've gone through this plenty of times.
Okay, yeah. Yeah, we have one that's making that noise. Was it making the noise?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yep.
We'll link it in the video. I'm just vlogging for now, trying to get into the mood.
Are we in the mood? Or are we in the vibe?
I'm in the vibe, yeah. You want to take a few minutes to do a walk around, or what do we have going on?
Yeah.
What's going on here? Do you know?
The DOC module, the DPF outlet module is cracked.
Okay.
So that's another common issue.
Good. I see you cleaned up the build. We're
It's
gonna
finally
get there.
out and running, so
Yeah,
that's a plus.
it is. It's gonna be. We're gonna talk about that project because that's gonna be a fun project to shoot. We'll walk outside. 37 is good. Yeah, there was a couple things,
Yeah, just
hoses,
AC
minor,
issues. Yeah.
minor stuff. Glider kit. Would say. You know what's up with that Cummins?
It's just a brake chamber that was leaking and leveling valve.
Yeah, small stuff. We've had. I want to talk about that Cummins. This is almost a million miles.
Yeah, what is it, 850 or something? Or maybe higher.
I think it should be under a million.
877, so
Oh, okay, so 900. So yeah, we've had it
it was in
4 years. At some point, we did the main rod bearings
and the front cover that was leaking.
So, and it's been, has it been eating? I don't remember. I have to look if there's oil consumption in this one.
It is. It's consuming oil.
It is?
Yeah.
Still?
Yeah.
How much?
Like 3-4 gallons. So it's
We're gonna look into that. Hood.
hood being repaired. Common issue on these as well.
Yeah.
Also a lot cheaper to buy your hood shocks than buying this whole repairing them.
Yeah, we've mentioned that before. The hood shocks are damaging the entire
Really
base.
inexpensive.
Yeah. We are doing an almost spring cleanup. It's not a spring cleanup yet, but it's gonna be soon. So we're getting ready for spring cleanup. But this is an interesting project, huh?
This is definitely a project and a half itself.
It is. It feels like we're restoring the entire truck. Like we're doing a D13 restoration. Doesn't
The
it
whole
feel like
powertrain,
that?
everything.
Yeah. You want to talk about what happened here?
Well, actually, this is the reason why I was gone for so long.
Yeah.
This was the last thing I did. Remember?
Is it? What?
Yeah, when the trans fell on on Archer.
You brought it.
I brought it, and then like the next day, I just.
Yeah.
So the guy was stuck we was at the rail yard. He was stuck in like snow, ice. He was rocking it back and forth a couple times. Messed up the U-joint and the actual diff. We already got that swapped out.
Yeah.
Then he goes and locks a power divider. Then he drops the other axle drive shaft, split the U-joint. The guy, he gets towed finally. And I guess from him rocking it so much, the bell housing cracked on the transmission.
Yeah.
And that fell on the street.
Yeah. And then we had to. So we got Rick got a bell housing. He worked his magic. We couldn't find it.
No.
Did he tell you? Did he tell you the story?
It was a project to get this one.
So he did got it in. He got it in for us. So we're trying to build this. We did the bull gear on it.
Bull gear,
we
idler
did
gear.
dial it. Yeah.
The timing plate, the
Yeah.
timing, new housing.
Yeah. And I just want to show it. Since we were here, we literally just put in anything and everything that we could do and swap out. We swapped it out.
DPF issues on this one as well.
We did, yeah. So we did the
Welded it.
DOC. Didn't we? You welded it, but did we send the DPF to team?
DOC is good. DPF, we need a new one.
That's
We already have it here.
this is massive.
Add it up real quick. This project.
It added up like crazy. You guys will notice it's very quiet here. So we
No more
invested.
interruptions, right?
No, we invested in a nice compressor. Just want to show you. What do you think so far, Nick, about this?
Well, we do have some type of interruption, right?
Yeah.
Oh, it's great.
Super quiet and
Real quiet. Builds up air pressure really quick. We're running the 1-inch impact grinders, everything. 3-4 guys at a time, and it's keeping up.
we should do a review about that. After like 6 months of use and then a year of, or like a couple of years of using it. You okay being on a video?
Yeah.
A new team member. 57.
Differential.
Yeah. That was something that we were trying to fix.
Which was what, like more than 6 months ago.
Yeah.
I went on a test drive with him and I told him that the switch was on. Like,
He didn't know.
It went away.
No, I'll talk to him. But do you think it's by not knowing or just not understanding what it is, what the switch is doing?
Honestly, he's been driving this truck for a while.
For a long
He's
time.
been-
He's a good driver. I know.
There's
I'll look
been,
into it.
Numerous power dividers that we put in there.
Yeah. Okay. Well, let's go outside for a second. So we'll tell the story about the glider. We have a lot of projects going on, and you started the tow truck.
Yeah, we got it running.
You got it for what?
So we can get 55 over here, so we can swap the transmission.
Oh, trans. Okay. So this is. You were not here when this happened,
No,
right?
it was not.
So we had a small incident with a driver. He thought he was going to fit under 10.6. So unfortunately that glider is totaled. So what we're doing is we had that one that we needed to rebuild. What we're going to do is swap the cab from this one onto this one. And that's going to be a lot quicker. This is about... The mileage should be around like...
What about this? Now that we're talking about this, what if we get a cab for cheap? And then this way you don't have to junk that truck. Because that was kind of like the plan, that's what was going to happen. What if we just get a used cab for that one? Or either or?
I like that thinking.
I don't know, I was just thinking about it right now.
So you mean still overhaul this?
Of course.
Setback right now is going to be waiting and ordering the cab. We probably have at least one place that we could get a cab. I don't know how fast the shipping's going to take a little bit, but you're right. Maybe we should just overhaul it.
Yeah, we got all the parts. I mean, really, we just got to order the overhaul kit.
True.
That's it.
That's a good idea. I like that. And we got some subscriber trucks.
We actually got
Some-
3 subscribers.
Yeah.
This is cam housing on a DD15, low oil pressure. This one is a D12 right here with a possible turbo that blew out.
Okay.
This one, D13, valve adjustment, rear timing cover reseal. He wants a lot of, radiator's busted. He wants
Okay.
a lot of work done.
This we're done. This is done for
Another
subscriber. That one's ours. That's a hood issue. That's an overhaul we're gonna get into as soon as we're done with 35. So Yeah, we're hiring,
that
by the way.
project.
Did I say already? We're hiring techs.
Such, yeah.
So if you like working on trucks and have experience, hit us up. But that's pretty much it for right now. I just want to do a quick walk around so we have something in that's it, right?
Yeah.
I would say this is what we have going on. We're going to get on track with shooting. Thank you for watching. Subscribe, share.